Do you want a beautiful plant that is also easy to care for? Look no further than the string of pearls. This plant has long hanging stems with round leaves that look like pearls. It doesn't need a lot of attention to thrive, and in this video by The Daily Eco, we'll show you exactly how to keep it happy. So let's get started. Light and location. The string of pearls thrives in bright, natural light. Aim to place it near a sunny window for optimal growth. This helps ensure those signature pearls stay plump and vibrant. While it can be grown indoors, avoid placing your string of pearls in dimly lit corners. Lack of light can cause the plant to lose its luster, with leaves softening, darkening, or losing their signature color. If you notice these changes, it might be time for a brighter spot. Consider moving your plant closer to a window or even outdoors to a sunny patio or balcony. Temperature. Aim for a range between 16 and 25 degrees Celsius. While it can tolerate higher temperatures, avoid intense direct sunlight in very hot climates. This succulent is less forgiving of cold, so prolonged exposure to temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius can damage or even kill your plant. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. Can the rosary plant have flowers? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Watering. Succulents like yours hate saggy soil, so water truly but avoid drowning the pot. Good drainage is key to prevent water buildup, so don't wait for bone-dry soil. A general guideline is every 10 to 15 days in winter and weekly in summer. Adjust based on your climate and humidity. Completely soak the pot until water drains. Let it dry completely before repeating. This ensures excess water escapes. Check soil moisture and adjust watering based on your plant's needs and local conditions. Other tips to care for the rosary plant. Beyond watering and light, here are some extra pointers for the string of pearls happiness. Keep it out of reach of curious pets. This beauty is toxic to pets and young children, so be sure to place it where its little paws and hands can't reach. Dropping leaves easily often signals overwatering, so adjust your watering routine accordingly. Also, wrinkled or elongated leaves may indicate that your plant needs a drink. This succulent is a propagation superstar, so even stems with root rot can be propagated with success. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? Well, the correct answer is A. This plant can produce small flowers during the spring. And well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.